Hello and welcome. Tonight we are talking to the beautiful Sonakshi Sinha. The film coming out is Bullet Raja. You, of course, are the Bullet Rani of the film.
Yes.
Have you fired one or have you ever been on one?
Well, I fired an air gun, which missed the target, and I think it was purposeful because I really didn't want to hurt anybody. And Bullet, the bike, I may have sat on one in one of my films because I'm usually pillion behind few of my heroes. And
You're the $1 billion baby.
yeah. Oh, good one.
It was what behind Ajay Devgan was a bullet.
Was it? I can't differentiate between one bike from the other.
But clearly, Saif Ali Khan is riding one, and you are, you are behind him in this
No,
one.
in this film I wasn't behind him on a bullet. I was. He was dragging me in a rickshaw.
How was that?
Fun.
Really? I mean, for you it was fun, but how was it for him?
Not so bad also.
This film, what is your character?
It's a very interesting character. It's that of a Bengali girl who comes from Kolkata to Mumbai to become an actress. So she's a struggling actress, and I found it very interesting because I haven't been through the struggles that you really need to go, that some people go through when they are wanting to become an actor. So I found that aspect very interesting, that I would get to be somebody that I'm not, and I took it up as a challenge. And Tishu sir, I really wanted to work with him, and the way he explain the character to me, the way, the premise in which this film is set, it's really cool. I love his films, Pan Singh Tomar, Sahib Bibi Aur Gangster. I really love those films. So I was really looking forward to working with him, and I'm glad that it happened with Bullet Raja.
It is also a crossover thing for him. I mean, he has been doing
it's definitely his most commercial film to date. But of course, I think the best part about Tishu sir is that he knows what he's really good at, and he sticks to that. So it's in spite of it, it is being portrayed as a commercial, like a larger than life, a large scale film, because of course Saif is involved. I'm in the film, and he's worked with us for the first time. So other than that, his style, his the dialogues, the the hard hitting nature of his films, the action and all, it's really Tigmanshu Dhulia, which is what I really liked about it, that he retains his style in whatever he does.
And what, 7 films as of now?
7, yes, and by December 2 more, so 9.
No, 7 which have been at the box office. 5 of them have been super hits, 100 crore grossers.
Yes.
So are you comfortable being the masala queen, or would you like to do a Lutera? I was so impressed with Lutera, and I was like, you're breaking into some like new grounds, and we could actually see you act. There was so much more that you could do with that film.
But you know what? I don't know why people say this, because doing a commercial film, playing the kind of over-the-top characters, is way more difficult. Rather than just being natural, because we don't say dialogues like that in our daily lives. We don't do action like that. We don't see stuff like that happening. So to portray something that is really not happening around you is way more difficult. But and I love it. I love the singing and the dancing, and I love being a part of this whole masala commercial genre. That's my first true love, and I've always said that. I've always been unapologetic about it. But then, of course, when a film like Lutera comes along, which really touches your heart, you cannot say no. And I mean, if Vikramaditya Motwani showed that faith in me to have approached me while I was doing all these kind of films at that point of time, I said, why not? I mean, let me give it a shot.